Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate chip cookie cupcakes. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. First we'll make the cookie dough, so in a medium bowl add the softened butter, sugar, and brown sugar, and beat them with an electric mixer on high speed until they're well combined. Then add in the egg and vanilla extract and beat them in until they're well combined. Then add in the flour, baking soda, salt, and mini chocolate chips, and mix them in by hand until they're just combined. Then scoop tablespoon-sized balls of the dough onto a baking sheet and place it into the freezer for at least an hour until they're frozen. Then scoop teaspoon-sized balls of the dough onto another baking sheet lined with parchment paper and bake them in the oven for about 8 minutes or until they just start to turn a light golden brown color around the edges. And once they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool completely. Now you'll still have a lot of cookie dough left over. If you don't want to bake all of it, you can scoop it onto a tray and keep it stored in the freezer, and you can bake them whenever you like. Now to make the vanilla cupcake batter, in a medium bowl add the softened butter and sugar and beat them with an electric mixer on high speed for about a minute. Then add in the eggs one at a time, mixing well after adding each one. Then add in the flour, baking powder, milk, and vanilla extract, and mix them in on low speed until they're just combined. Try not to overmix the batter. And finish it by hand to make sure all the ingredients are mixing in, but again, don't overmix the batter. Then line a muffin pan with paper liners and scoop in just a tablespoon of the batter. Then bang the pan on the countertop to make sure the batter is covering the bottom. Then add in a ball of the frozen cookie dough that we had before. Then scoop another tablespoon of the batter on top of each one. It's okay if the cookie dough isn't completely covered. And bake them in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they're just starting to turn a light golden brown color on top. And once they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool completely. Then to make the frosting, in a medium bowl add the softened butter. Then beat it with an electric mixer on high speed for a minute. Then add in half of the powdered sugar. Start off mixing it in by hand. Then beat it in using the electric mixer. And add in the rest of the powdered sugar. Again, start off mixing it by hand, and then beat it in using the electric mixer. Then add in the vanilla extract and milk, and mix them in until they're well combined. And finish it by hand to make sure all the ingredients are mixing in. Then place the frosting into a plastic bag. Spread it down to the corner of the bag, press out the excess air, and seal the bag. Then cut off the corner of the bag and pipe the frosting on top of the cooled cupcakes. Then sprinkle on some mini chocolate chips. And finish it off with one of the cookies that we made. And that's how to make chocolate chip cookie cupcakes. Check out more of my videos here and subscribe to my channel here so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.